story was like a fairy tale. Love blossomed in the spring. She got bit by the love bug, and he made her his queen. Picture of true love, envy of their friends. No one would have guessed that he'd sting her in the end. Used to be, used to be. She ain't ever getting stung again by that old used to be. Better leave her alone, she'll do some stinging of her own. Fly on out of here. Oh, used to be. He whispered sweet nothings, she bought all his lies. That old love bug turned out to be just a cockroach in disguise. She denied every rumor that the ladybugs had said, until she caught him buzzing round the neighbor's flower bed. Used to be, used to be. She ain't ever getting stung again by that old used to be. Might as well be hibernating, there'll be no more pollinating. She's mad as a hornet now. Oh, used to be. On a hot, steamy night, that old love bug got nailed, caught with a grasshopper in a roach motel. Faster than a lightning bug, he lost his honeycomb. Enjoy those bed bugs, your honey bee's gone. Used to be, used to be. She ain't never getting stung again by that old used to be. Stop your hesitating, or there'll be some exterminating. She's ticked off, now buzz off. You old used to be.